Did you ever notice most of the people has a symmetrical face? Look at mine. This eye is different of this one. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you some tricks to help you look similar in both sides of your face. My name is Francesca. Welcome to my channel. I'm always apply oil for. Let's do this one for 20 times. Make sure not to stretch the skin, not stretching, just a slight massage. Okay. Let's do this 20 times. You push and then slide your fingers. Don't do too harsh, it's just slides. This one 20 times. You don't need to be harsh. It's always very gentle. Let's do this 20 times. Twenty times this one. Let's work on these muscles. Make sure to go deep, not just hold the tissue, you go deep and pinch. I like to vibrate. Let's do 20 times. 20 times 2. Just hold the tissue here and vibrate. 1, 2, 3. Place your hand here. Doesn't need to do anything, just hold. Look down. You can feel the muscles. You can do like that too. This one. You go very deep. Hold there. Do the same here. You can see this technique with gua sha. I like to do with my hands. And just do that so you can see how I do it, which I curve my finger the way that's the shape of my eyebrow. Vibrate. Let's do 20 times. Hold there. Start again. Hold there. Start again. Let's do this one. So you hold your and slightly push up. Not too much. You're not going to stretch your eye. Just a little. Go all the way. I like to do some massage here too. Just relax and calm. Thank you guys for being here. In my channel, I show my real progress with face yoga. I'm gonna do the same routine to the other side with less repetition, because my intention is to fix my asymmetrical eyes. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe. Thank you for being here.